Welcome on YouTube, you know it's your boy Click, and you're tuning in to Click React, man. Today we're gonna be reacting to Kodak Black's funniest moment. I don't know if you guys tune into the stupid shit this guy says sometimes, or the he's just a funny person. I don't know what it is about him, but he just says shit and it is fucking funny as hell, man. He's forever gonna be like a meme legend out of nowhere. He didn't even try to be it. So that's what we're gonna be looking at today, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and tell me which one of these moments is your favorite. I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
Like, let me get some money, babe. I say, man, I ain't got no money. That money you be
Yo, why you talking like a crackhead? Like, you know those people on the street that ask you for money? Now why he sound like that?
Instagrams, that be fake money, man. That be prop money. This is not my money, girl. I do not have nothing. To me, hey.
Yeah, this one's funny. Suburban.
I'm not a project baby anymore. I'm a suburbs kid. I'm a suburban.
Suburban. That was one of the funniest fucking things he said.
That's a suburban trying to get us a burger, dog. That's it.
Yo,
Receipt.
man said suburban trying to get us a burger.
Alright, bye. Yo. Man, I'm just a suburban dude trying to get us a burger.
Yo, where did he get that?
That's a burger.
It's so funny, bro.
Suburban dude trying to get us a burger.
How'd you get the name Kodak Black?
I mean, it's a lot of ways I could explain that. I be living for the moment.
Huh?
I be living for the moment.
Oh, like a picture.
Pictures? He be living for the moment.
Ah.
Yeah, like pictures.
Yeah, I can explain it that way. That's some fly shit, I think.
Your records were
Uh-huh.
so high on the charts, all over the clubs, everywhere, but you couldn't really be there
And I'll shoot
to
a nigga.
actually enjoy it. You know what I mean?
You said you shot a nigga.
I said I would shoot a nigga.
What?
I ain't no
fuck?
cameraman,
Yo, I remember this interview was a little wild, you know.
but I shoot a nigga.
Oh, he's still answering the question about his name.
Oh, Kodak Black.
Okay.
Yeah.
There was a delay.
Yo, why did you say there was a delay?
Just thought of that real quick.
No.
That's a good technique though. Like answer when you feel like answering.
Yo, Charlamagne's a friggin' idiot too, bro. He
What
right.
you was about to say?
Let's see you hit the wall.
That shit is funny, bro. That's a good technique. Answer when you feel like answering.
Oh.
I know where he was going with this Goku here.
Hold up.
My toe look better than some of you whole toes. 50 if it look at your damn feet. Man, this shit feel better than head. Hey, y'all boy.
What you
This
talking
shit
about?
feel better than head.
Oh hell no.
I was just bullshitting.
I hope so.
I was just like, man, why I can't, like, cause I was getting tired of just FaceTiming and hanging up. Yo, I gotta call you right back and call another girl. I was like, man, I don't know how I did it, but I thug it, and I was just on the phone with her.
What was you saying? What was you saying to her?
We were just chopping it up, like picking each other. I was picking her brain. She
That's
wasn't picking my
cute.
brain, but I was picking her brain and stuff.
So
You
for,
like her?
for the first night ever, you talked to only one girl.
Yeah.
Is
for
that
like-
the one?
Yeah.
I hope so.
This is forever the top meme, the top Kodak meme.
She from
Right.
Florida? Where's she from?
Man, that was a dub for the Breakfast Club for wearing all ski masks when he came back. That shit was funny. Yo, this hair, man. This man is a wild nigga.
At the end, just let it go.
Just like,
Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo!
This is silly as fuck, man. What is this? This old shit. He said, bitch, get the fuck out my face. Yo, no way she's a real cop. And she let him drag the mic away from her like that. Should have put him on the floor.
just for that. This nigga said I came out of jail acting weird. Fuck nigga, just for that. I'm gonna show you what's weird. And I want everybody on my line to go listen to my song Acting Weird. I'm finna
Yo.
play that. Since she say I came home acting weird, nigga, fuck you. Listen to this.
Yo, this nigga is stupid.
I am not weird. That bed last night, talking about we walked through the little bit talking about what size your dick is. It's big. It's a medium. Yeah, the bitch say you got a big dick. I say it's a medium.
This
Why
nigga
you
is so
wanna know?
dumb.
You catching my drill, DJ Carnage. If you catching my drill.
What do you call him? Did he say DJ Quarters? Why is he posing? Yo, this nigga is so dumb. Why is he standing like that, bro? Staring. He's such a funny you, bro.
A few moments later.
The man literally stood there on that line for a minute. He knew what he was doing. He was setting himself up to be a meme. He knew.
One
Yo,
eternity later.
It was a while still. I'm not gonna lie. I remember this clip. Man, I said, let me do the mannequin challenge very quick. Mannequin.
So that mean you cool with like Don Q and A Boogie them now? Because we saw you earlier this year, and you didn't have the nicest things to say about those brothers.
They cool. They cool.
Who do you consider your friends in this industry? Like other artists that you say,
You know what? Nobody. Cause listen. Nobody.
This shit right here throw
Short and sweet explanation. I like his explanation. They make sense.
dog. This shit right here throw me, dog. I gotta call my nigga Future, cause we be talking like.
Bro,
and
this
shit, like,
is
CEO
funny.
shit,
This
you
shit
know
is
what I'm
funny.
saying? Like saying like on some
Oh.
weird nigga shit, like want to see a young nigga win and shit, but I gotta hit him up and ask him this
Ew,
question and shit.
this was too funny.
I'm doing it on live. I probably shouldn't even did this on live. Yo, hey, bro. Hey,
What?
I'm listening to this song, dog. A nigga fuck with you so tough, homie. What did you say this part right here, bro? What you say? What?
Yo, this nigga is too much, bro. Yo, no. I know what I heard, but I'm not gonna repeat what I heard Future say there. But I know he was lying with his response.
What you said right there?
The only time I feel alive when I take.
When you take,
Yo,
I take a pill. Only time I feel alive when I take.
yeah, what a nigga.
yo, let me tell you something, man. Let me tell you something. That shit is the funniest thing I've ever seen, bro. Future damn well knew he didn't say, "Oh, the only time I feel alive is when I take." He didn't stop there.
Look at that goddamn hair. What did you do to that? It looks like a damn wig.
You heard?
You can't do that shit. Look at
I
mine.
could.
You want mine?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, okay.
Show yours.
There it is.
This is Wall Street. This is my hair. I can comb this hair. I can brush this hair.
I
I
can't
can
do
wash
anything
this
with
hair. This is my hair. Target.
He's a suburban. Why are you fighting yourself with a sneeze, bro?
I'm finna wait to see who gonna say blessings.
Yo, this guy is so dumb.
Next time when you motherfuckers call me ugly, I'm whipping my dick out. I ain't playing. No, for real, bro. All you bitches on what you call that shit, shade room team, woo woo, all that shit. If I catch y'all ass in traffic, I'm whipping my Jimmy out. Y'all gonna suck it. I ain't playing. Fuck y'all talking about a nigga.
He has no manners.
has your dad tried to reach out to you now that you've been
Yeah.
He has? Did you respond? Are you
I mean, a part of me was like, one day he gonna die, and I'm gonna be like, look how you.
Yo, nah.
Like, okay.
Yo, everybody took that when he said, "Oh, a part of it was like one day he gonna die, like you gonna kill him type shit." That shit is funny.
We all gonna die.
No, I understand what you're
Okay.
saying.
I just did Jimmy Kimmel today. Nothing major though. I posted been dead all that and stuff. But you know me going to jail back and forth, me slowing stuff down. But I ain't tripping though. The first come last, the last come first. So I'm getting my shine on.
I heard that.
And this my time, so I ain't finna let nothing or nobody get in between me or this money or me or my freedom. So I said all that to say this. I don't want no smoke with nobody. You have it. But I ain't no
Sure.
bitch though. I ain't no bitch. Y'all know that.
Oh, that's a flamethrower. Oh shit.
You can't do that. Okay? If you start a fire,
Yo.
I mean, I can call the police right now. You can't be having that in your
You see?
backyard.
And that's why I don't want no smoke, because you niggas be quick to call the police. You niggas will call the police on me. You niggas be trying to play with that fire.
Okay, go. It's done.
Yo, this is so funny, bro.
Get gnarly, baby.
Let's get gnarly, dude.
Gnarly.
I know where he got this white accent from, or the surfer accent.
Drink liquor. I don't smoke weed. I don't pop pills. I don't do nothing.
I don't believe you.
But at the same time, liquor ain't really for me though, cause I'm already a little off. Nigga thick like a Snicker. Your mama thicker than the Snicker.
Yo, this thing
You
is
know what?
stupid.
Hold on. What happened? My Uber Eats say what? Listen, dog. My Uber Eats just bailed on me. I just ordered some hot wings in my.
Why is he talking like that, bro?
They come on, big. I ain't even big like that. How they be trying to say? Oh, what I'm finna do? I'm looking for a leaf. I could have got bigger than this and now. I could have got bigger than this and now, but I just didn't want that high blood pressure or diabetes shit. Yeah, I get a real spoon. What's that? I get a real spoon.
Yeah, of course.
Nigga, that ain't a spoon.
I
Man,
can't
say
get
can't
G
use
with
chopsticks.
this shit.
Planned out
Yeah.
how you want to do it in your head. You think you'll get married young?
I want to get married in my 20s, or I don't want to do it no more.
20s
Why?
or nothing?
Now when you supposed to be a hoe, you supposed to be a hoe till at least 30.
No,
You might have
man,
did
cause
that already,
everybody
though.
got AIDS around here, dog.
Oh my God, no, they don't. And you can still protect yourself, Kodak.
It's
Yeah.
condoms, Kodak.
I be.
This nigga said everybody
Don't
has
wear no
AIDS.
condoms. We from Florida. It's too hot to wear condoms in Florida.
Oh, it's too hot.
Kodak been hoeing.
Yeah.
So you want to get married in your 20s?
Yeah.
You think you could be monogamous though?
Yeah.
You know what that
You
means?
know what monogamous mean, Kodak?
No.
I know, exactly.
I don't want just anyone to hold. I don't want my love to go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul. You the one I want to chase. You the one I want to hold.
He really do know the song.
Let a minute go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul.
Yo, this guy's actually funny, bro. Kodak needs he needs a show.
Let me drive the boat.
Man,
taken
we be
care
out,
of.
we be out here too.
How much you knocking down a week now, Kodak?
I ain't gonna lie, I don't really be like that. I don't really be like that
You
though.
don't
I don't really want to be having mixed emotions. I try to stay with one female.
Really?
Yeah.
A lot of you young dudes do be with one girl now. How long you been with her?
She
A day.
not. Ain't she a little mad?
Show you nigga what these VVs do.
Huh.
I hope you niggas understand what these VVs do. This shit right here seduce a married woman right here. Yo, alright.
You say, yup, alright.
That's it? So you gotta say to people? Next time.
Yo, he's a different character still.